I heard you just turned 50 recently.
Thank you. Yeah. May 3rd, I'll be 90.
90?
90.
Wow.
And it's not different than 60. I'm running around doing the same amount of thing. I've got 18 trips scheduled this year, doing a new thing, and it's no different. My hobby's gardening.
Where is your spirit when you're gardening? Where's your spirit and where's your soul and where are you when you're gardening?
No place. Silent.
If 30-year-old Deborah was sitting here right now, what would you say to her about life? What have you learned along the way that you would say to her?
Keep busy. Doing things for others as well as for yourself. That's how you learn.